So we're here in we're here in Key West on Thanksgiving. We're doing a Thanksgiving cruise on the Scarlet Lady, and I figured while in Key West, why not sample every key lime pie that we came across. And we were going to do this on the cruise in the room, but they kicked us off because you cannot bring food back onto the ship.
Yeah, fun fact.
Yeah, it's good to know, right?
Look at all these pies.
So we got all these pies that we're now going to try before we get back onto the ship.
Okay, first up.
So first up, this is a chocolate dip pie. This is frozen, so we're going to eat this first.
Okay, hurry up.
It's a little, oh no, this is solid. This might be last, actually. This is frozen solid. This is going to have to sit out for a bit. So this one was from the OG. They actually called it the OG.
Supposedly, this is the first shop as you get off the pier. Like, this is the original.
It says the original. It's where it was created, so to speak.
But it's like at a gift shop.
Got a nice bite.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Yeah. I'd say all right for sure.
Not the best key lime I've had.
Okay. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so then we went to Kermit's, and we got a couple pies from Kermit's.
Because that is the Key West original, apparently.
And then this is one of the key lime pie dipped graham crackers. So supposedly it's key lime pie, graham crackers, all dipped in chocolate.
That's
So
your jam.
this is all good, supposedly.
Like moon pie-esque.
It is totally a moon pie. You can see you have marshmallow, graham cracker, and a key lime pie coating. That's delicious.
Diabetes.
Diabetes in a square.
Okay.
Would you like to try some?
Very probably. No, I would not like to try some. Thank you for
I'm going to
offering.
set it out for later.
Okay, you brought me back to that one. All right, next up is the Kermit's.
Kermit's key lime shop.
That one looks
key lime
delicious.
pie.
I'm really excited about that.
It's like a very yellow, so it doesn't have the orange that the other one did.
Even the whipped cream tastes better. That just looks better.
Oh, that's a much better bite. Very tart.
I like the crust on that one.
The crust is very good.
The whipped cream's more like a meringue.
Yeah.
It's
I could eat
fluffier.
this whole pie real quick. But
Well, you probably will.
that's really good.
That was worth the walk.
That was pretty good.
That was like a 7-minute walk from the ship.
From the ship. 7-minute walk.
7-minute walk. We also got a strawberry one that apparently
Tipped over.
Tipped over. Let's see.
Same meringue.
I can't even cut through that crust on that one. Look at that. That's delicious looking.
I can't cut it.
That's yummy. That was a big bite, Jane. That's a yummy pie.
Oh, that's real good.
I would buy that again.
Yeah, that's the best bite.
I mean, that bite doesn't look very good, but that's well worth it.
That's the best pie.
Take the walk to Kermit's. That was worth it for sure.
We still got one more.
Yeah. Yeah, I
You want some of this?
feel free to kill it. Because I feel like if I got in... I feel like you'd stab me.
Now we're on our pseudo dessert.
I know.
Our
It's not a
ice cream
pseudo.
bar.
It's not a pseudo dessert. It's the last dessert.
Oh, now it's
Now it's very melty. Okay.
very much a frozen ice cream.
That's what ice cream's supposed to be. No, thank you.
Nothing special. It's more like ice cream
Than a key lime pie.
key lime pie.
Okay. So, your synopsis is,
The strawberry one all day.
okay, walk to Kermit's.
Walk to Kermit's.
Okay.
Then the marshmallow cream pie thing.
Okay. Either way, still at Kermit's.
Yeah, Kermit's.
Okay.
Definitely a place to go.
Okay. We'll put the address in the comments and or on the map on this to be determined. Yeah, walk to Kermit's, everyone.